English version mathematics class 5 chapter 8 length management. Number 3, a tailor has 375 decimeter of cloth. Now if you want to make 15 shirt with this cloth, how many centimeter of cloth can be used of each shirt? Here we know 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, we I told already, here is this type math. What will be one the answer? We will be convert all of them the same unit. Okay, in this math they want in answer in the centimeter. That means we need to convert all of them in this centimeter. Then 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter. Then cloth have 375 decimeter. That means 375 into 10 equal to 3750 centimeter. Then cloth per shirt 3750 divided by 15 equal to 215 centimeter. Answer 250 centimeter.